Hi, this is David and Kelly, and welcome to The Big Question. Today we're on site at Mid-America Mortgage in Flower Mound, Texas. We still have finance questions coming in, and this one that we got today is great because we hear it all the time. People wanting to know, what are some common mistakes that people make during the process?
That is a great question, and to answer that question is Ryan Grubbs. He's a senior loan officer with Mid-America Mortgage, and we're going to pitch that question to you.
Well, thanks. And again, another great question. So, obviously, three big components with buying a house and getting qualified. It's going to be credit, income, and assets. So anytime something like that changes in regards to, let's just say, credit, going out and opening a new credit card, buying a new car, charging up on your current debt so that way you can furnish that new house. That's going to definitely affect your ability to qualify for the loan. Income, changing jobs. That's one of the biggest things that we see, going ahead and retiring during the loan process, because this is your retirement home and you're thinking, all right, I'm done, I'm retiring, and all of a sudden now you don't have that income anymore. So, those are some of the big things that you definitely got to kind of make sure that you're not doing during the process. If you're thinking about maybe doing things like that, though, making sure you discuss that with the loan officer. Any type of major, purchases, changes in job, life, anything, while you think it may be very minimal, it can definitely have a big impact towards your transaction and how you got qualified. So it's definitely always good to talk to the loan officer about that and just making sure that that's not going to have any impact towards your transaction.
Yeah, that's a great answer, because I once a buyer finds a house, they always want to furnish it.
Yes.
And so I'm always saying, wait, don't do that, don't do that, or talk to your lender. You have to get permission from the lender before you go buy that couch or fridge.
Yes.
So thank you so much for that.
Yeah, thank you very much. Well, if you have a topic or a question for us, feel free to leave us a message down below. We love to read your comments and your feedback. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for the next big question.
See ya.